So this is another mask. There are 4 in the series of my Afro Futurism, which took me ages actually. Not necessarily the sculpting, that took a while to get right because I wanted it to be really smooth and precise, but also to get it right for the printer. This prints really nicely with a 0.4 nozzle. It's deceptively simple, but my 3MF file has a really prints really nice, as you can see here. It looks like a 0.2 nozzle, but it isn't. It's 0.4. It comes out really nice. This is just a regular PLA. This is a matte PLA actually. It comes out looking really great. This is going to be available on my Maker World account, which you can download for free. And yeah, more to come. This is number 2, and as soon as the masks are done, I'll put those up as well. More to come.